Hello guys, and welcome to this exciting video in which I show you the future map style. So this here is the old map style and the old map tiles. So this was already a nice style, I liked it. But for example, this mountain here looks a little bit off because it's really thin and yeah, and also for example, for such a small map there are a lot of trees, and this is not bad, but these are also a lot of vertices, and I don't know, it looks really blocky on the edges especially. So, oh, here I used the wrong blocks. Oops. These are already new blocks. So here you can see it's really edgy, and that doesn't look nice, does it? So we got the new map design, and you can see, hey, okay, this looks really smooth in the terms of no edges. Of course there are some, but they are looking different. And of course this is shaded smooth, not flat. You can see the difference. And yeah, also what is really nice is the grass, because yeah, the grass just or the green surface really looks nice. And you can't really do that here. I mean, you can. I will just quickly show it to you. We will just add the grass material and assign them, but it looks really edgy. So I tried it a little bit, and I don't know, this doesn't look really nice compared to this one. So yeah, this is the new map style, and of course there will still be trees. They will be just props that are generated, so they are not only on the mountainside but everywhere. And what's also really nice about this one is you can scale it. So I double it, I wrote, oops, I should set the origin here. For example, I rotate it and I scale it in the double in one direction. Then it still looks okay. Wait, this didn't work because it's well, let's make it like that. It doesn't look perfect, for example, here, but it looks not bad. I mean, you could live with a map that looks like this, and you can't do that with that one because yeah, the trees. If you scale it in the Z-axis, the trees, as you can see, will be huge, and you don't want that because now, oops, okay, never mind. But you can't scale these tiles because of the trees. Here you can scale them, and it looks not bad. So yeah, scale was the main reason why I changed the style. I tried also to have a second layer with these building blocks, but it didn't work out. So yeah, this is the new map style. It's not yet in the game, and it will still take a while, but it's just replacing the old blocks with the new ones. There's no logic involved, no coding involved. Just one thing is some of the parts here, as you can see, there are equivalents. For example, this tile is this tile, and yeah, there are the map logic or the logic to generate maps is not perfect. For example, such a map wouldn't be generated perfectly because there's some logic missing. I will also have to do this in the future, but yeah, so the new map style looks like this. I don't know exactly when I will publish the video. I will publish this video when I need a video and I don't have one. So this could be like in a week, but this could also be like in a month. I don't know. So yeah, I hope you like the new map style, and I wish you an amazing day. See you next week. Bye bye.